Guys, I'm so excited to show you. I have been following Hilton Carter for a while on Instagram, and if you are on the plant Instagram community, I'm sure you've seen his posts before. I was so excited to see that he was doing a collaboration with Target and had to go in and see what he had. First off, everything was so freaking cute, from the items themselves to the packaging, and they had little notes signed by Hilton. I mean, just look at these adorable leather aprons that he had, terrariums that are in a greenhouse style. Again, look at this packaging. Is it not adorable? They had live plants, guys, which is so exciting. So many different plants, money trees, pothos, cacti, and succulents. And as you can see, they have instructions on how to care for the plant. All of them are in adorable pots, Birkins, ZZs, ferns like monsteras, fiddly figs, so many different plants. From pots and garden shears, everything that you will need to build a terrarium, and really cool watering cans. I will say that not every store carries everything, and you can go online to shop the entire collection, so you definitely want to do that. The marketing was just phenomenal. I mean, they had stickers on the ground and then the little signs everywhere. I was in love. So we just left Target and we were checking out the Hilton Carter selection that they had, and it was so cute. And we got a little plant baby. We have never had a money plant, so I am excited. It comes with this very pretty ceramic planter, and it's just gorgeous, so I'm excited. So we just left Target. Am I being weird? Is that how you want to show up in my video?